हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूँ स्नेहा कौर पुकार घोष और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज मैं कोई लव रिलेटेड टॉपिक के बारे में बात नहीं करने वाली, बट इसके पहले बोलिए ये कैसा लगा मुझे, आपको कैसा लगा? मुझे तो बड़ा अच्छा लगा। एंड सबसे फेवरेट वाला ये वाला पिलो है। Anyways, so today's topic is going to be about how to handle criticism online and in real life. Actually, criticism is a very constructive word. Let's replace it with hate. मेरा ये मानना है कि सबसे बड़ा जो सोशल इन्फ्लुएंसर है, दैट हैज टू बी द सोसाइटी इटसेल्फ। उससे बड़ा सोशल इन्फ्लुएंसर कोई है ही नहीं। एंड social media is a reflection of society, and we always come across people or entities who have something or the other to say, not positively but negatively, that you might not like, जो आपको पसंद ना है, and it has nothing to do with you, or like it might feel like they have some vendetta against you. तो how to handle that? पहले तो घंटा कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए आपको, बिकॉज दे डोंट नो यू। अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, लाइक इफ अ पर्सन डजंट रियली नो यू, like really know you, and has been with you, or like spent time with you, but is still commenting on you, or commenting anything, not complimenting at all, but commenting anything, so like that has nothing to do with you. It is not a reflection of your work or what you are doing. It is a reflection of what they think. And you should not engage in abuse. Abuse meets abuse is not always nice, even in society or otherwise. Then I feel that some people really have constructive criticism, and I really appreciate that. But I do not nobody likes people जो एवे ही आके कुछ ना कुछ बोल ही देंगे, ठीक है? एवरीबडी इज सब्जेक्ट टू दैट। एंड मुझसे बहुत ऊंचे ऊंचे जो ब्लॉगर्स है, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स है, उनको भी दे हैव बीन सब्जेक्टेड टू दैट। एंड आई समटाइम्स कैन नॉट बिलीव व्हाई, like somebody like Sadhguru, I believe in him so much, would be subjected to so much hate, but he takes it so gracefully. So we all have something to learn from him. So he is very calm, and only once I have seen him lose his temper. So yeah, that, and what he says is that, you know, to respond with calmness is very graceful in itself, and laugh about it, because they really don't know you. So तुम्हारे बारे में कमेंट करे ना करे, मतलब तुम्हारे साथ बात करे ना करे, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? एक और चीज is like, you know, I was talking to my husband yesterday, so he came up with a very good way of looking at it. He was like, the day you start thinking you're somebody, that is the time you will start feeling worse about it. Like, मैं so and so हूँ, so how could that person tell me so and so? So always think that you are a nobody. We are actually nobodies, and like, you know, that is the most interesting way to take it. उससे क्या होगा कि तुमको आगे कोई आके कुछ बोलेगा या बोलेगी, you won't feel like, you know, what is he or she saying. So online, or if that person never ever knew you, आगे से आके तुम रास्ते पे चल रहे हो, कोई किसी ने तुमको कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा गाली दे दिया या कुछ भी बोल दिया, will you ever feel bad? No. But like, it is, let's talk about people like you have known, you have met, you have spent time with, and then you hate them or they hate you. That is different. I'm talking about strangers, total strangers you meet online or elsewhere. An interesting way of thinking is that, like, even if somebody told you anything, just think that they are strangers. End of story. And then, like I said, some haters can be excellent critics. So when you start talking with somebody who is hating you online for no good reason, and you have no clue, and आप उससे जब बात करना चालू करो, अगर आपको टाइम हो तो So you will understand that maybe they want attention. So it's best not to give it to them. And when they get attention, their way of speaking changes. मतलब जब आप उनको पूछो कि why do you hate me? Somebody who is commenting on you or your post without knowing you and in person and is just coming up with rumors and stuff, that person, अगर उससे आप बात करो, and then like I have found in most cases that they just want some attention, so it's best not to give it to them. And अभी देखो किसी को उतना टाइम ही नहीं होता कि they have time to respond to each and every messages. And जैसे कि मैंने बोला है कि मेरे से बहुत आगे जो bloggers and influencers already and YouTubers also काम कर रहे हैं, even they have been subjected to it. Sometimes when I read their comments, I'm like flustered. Why exactly? So you cannot really stop them. The only way you can take away that power from them is not to give them any attention. Even in real life, in society also, if anybody has something to say about, comment about anything that you do or say or whatever, but they are not really doing anything or helping you out in any way, I don't think they should have any they have right to voice their opinion, but you should not take it personally. Like I said, with constructive criticism, what happens is it only makes you a better person. Like some people, very rarely I've come across some people who have actually told me something that I have really liked and implemented. But if I do, I take it very constructively in the sense that I try to implement, and I'm going to take it very positively. In a very positive manner, आपको लेनी चाहिए, in the sense that it is only helping you to become a better person. So that was all for the video. And ऐसा लव हेट रिलेशनशिप तो चलता ही रहेगा, तो ऑनलाइन भी रियल लाइफ में भी, तो इतना नहीं सोचना. And like, share and subscribe to my channel. Tomorrow I'm coming up with a totally new topic. So before I sign off, I just want to mention that this cute tee, this is one of the cute tees that I have been given to by Let's Be Trendy, and it's an online shopping store and they are having amazing discounts, so you might just want to check it up and go to my Instagram stories, and don't forget to use the code Rimpy20. Rimpy is my nickname and I freaking love it. So Rimpy20 for 20% off on all the sales that you make by using that code. And this lipstick is one of the lip shades I have been given by Beront, and you might want to check my Instagram for more exciting and cute posts. So I'll be unboxing all the 16 shades one by one, and let's expect something interesting. Bye bye.